Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. In the previous video, I've shown you these, just a glance of these units. These are actually wardrobes, but with the high poster bed that I've shown you in previous video, these were to be used as side units for that bed. This is also going to Mehsana along with that unit. And the size part. This is 4 feet outer, 22 inches front to back, and the height is 78 inches, 6.5 feet. So a teak wood unit in antique gold paint again, and this is a wardrobe in fact. So two doors and some shelves inside. Now this can be customized as per your requirement. If you want some drawer part and you want to hang the clothes, so you want a pipe for the hanging purpose, that can be done. The interior area can be designed as per your requirement. Now look at the designing part. It has got nice flower and leaves carving everywhere. And this is a three-side carved unit. The back is plain as that would go against the wall. And this is completely carved everywhere. Everywhere you see, you have the work on it. And this is a full wood unit. All the structure outside is wood. With teak wood, we get very durable stuff that lasts for years and years. And this is Duco paint that again lasts for quite a long time. Antique gold by far and so far has been the most liked color we have, though we are working on new colors and I'll show you a few more colors in the next few weeks as we are getting some new units in several other colors. But so far, this is the most liked color, and we have shipped similar stuff, similar colors, similar theme units across India as well as out of India to most of the places. Wardrobes can be designed as per the size you have. We have made wardrobe, this is 4. We have made in 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 feet long. Nice big wardrobes in different colors, white and off-white, and in natural shades, in walnut shade, all these colors. And different designs, a lot of designs can be done. So 2 door, 4 door, 6 door, round curve on the sides, all those designs I've shown you earlier. And we'll be showing you a lot more in next few videos. The designing work is hand carved and it's on teak wood and is made as per the requirement again for the client, the size they wanted, the design they wanted, and the colors they wanted, and the shelves inside also as per they required. Now it has got 2 doors I've shown you, and it also has a drawer. This is the drawer at the bottom, a nice big full size drawer, as you can see here. So nice design altogether, and works very well with the theme that you have in your place. Colors are changeable, of course. If you want some other color, we can do that for you. Sizes can vary as per your requirement, as per the space you have. And inner area is already as per the client's requirement. So however you want it, you want to design it, we can do that for you. And we can deliver anywhere in India. This one is going to Mehsana, Gujarat. Out of India also, if you want something like this, we can work and discuss the requirement. For the pricing part, you can visit our website. There are a lot of stuff and a lot of price indication. According to your requirement, you can contact us. We'll give you the personalized price for you. Thank you so much.